Now, let's see time-sharing operating system. Time-sharing operating system allows multiple users to interact with the single computer or system simultaneously. It simply means that there will be the more than one users which they will interact with the single CPU simultaneously, means one by one. This we will see in details with the help of diagram. Now, let's move to the next point. In time-sharing operating system, a small time slots are available for each user, which is known as quantum or time slice. It means users are provided with some time slots, and we call it as a quantum or time slice. Now, let's see which one is the first time-sharing operating system. So, one of the first time-sharing operating system is Compatible Time-Sharing Operating System, abbreviated as CTSS, developed at the MIT in 1961. So, as we have discussed about the first point, that this operating system allows a multiple user to interact with a single computer or a system simultaneously. In this diagram, we can see that there are multiple users which are interacting with the single CPU simultaneously. And as we have discussed in the second point, that is, the user means users are provided with some time slots, that is, time slice. As we can see that user 5 is interacting with the CPU. After the completion of, or we can say after the interaction of user 5 with the CPU, user 6 will interact. So, user 6 will go into the active link and other remaining users will go into the waiting state. This was all about the time-sharing operating system. Now, let's move to the advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of time-sharing operating systems are efficient CPU utilization, means it is very efficient to utilize CPU. It uses CPU scheduling and multiprogramming. It has reasonable cost. It avoids the duplication of software. So, these are the advantages of time-sharing operating system. There are also some disadvantages of time-sharing operating systems. They are more complex than multiprogramming system. Problems of data communication. Problem reliability, means it has the problem with the reliability.